Today's workout, we have 10 exercises that we're going to do for 6 rounds, 20 seconds of work, 10 seconds of rest in each exercise. The first movement is going to be side hip raises. Make sure the elbows stay stacked underneath the shoulder and then press the hips up to the sky. We can modify by dropping our top foot in front. We can also modify by hinging off of our knee. We're going to do both the right and left side. Next movement is going to be a pike to toe touch. As we pike our hips into the air, try and keep the legs straight, reaching our opposite hand back to our opposite foot. We can modify by keeping both hands on the ground and creating more stability. Next movement is going to be a sprinter lunge. We're going to reach down, touch the ground, and then hop off of our loaded leg. We can modify this by taking the hop out into a stabilization. We're going to do both the right and left side. Next movement is going to be a jack press. We're going to start with a weight in front of our chest, bringing our hands above our head and our feet out at the same time. We can modify this by going into a jumping jack. Hands and feet come out at the same time. Next movement is going to be an alternating V-up. We're going to crunch our leg and our chest up at the same time. We can modify this by separating our hands and our feet, bringing one leg up and then reaching towards our shin. The Superman to W, we're going to Superman by bringing our quads and our chest off of the floor. From here, we're pulling our elbows to our side as hard as possible. In the squat to 90-degree switch, we're going to squat down, and then as we come out of our squat, we're going to pop our hips to 90-degree position. We can modify this by going into a squat and a single leg balance. In the final movement, axe handles, we're going to place one foot on top of another, bringing our feet over our hips. At the 10-second mark, we're going to switch positions.